another video. Today we're gonna play some Off-Road Outlaws. I have a friend in here. Spell your names.
Savako and Savakar, and today we will be playing Offroad Outlaws.
My name is Savakar.
Today we're gonna get enough gold for all these parts and buy a triple intake for that, upgrade it entirely, blah 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 blah. So right now we're probably gonna go to the desert.
Do you want to?
Sure.
Okay.
Equip.
Outlaws. But I'm not going to be joining them.
This is
today.
a great game.
You definitely should download it.
Yeah.
It's a fun game.
Make sure to subscribe and like the video as well. And we will greatly appreciate it.
True.
We're trying to grow this YouTube channel.
Why don't you want to play Off-Road Outlaws?
Oh, I'm playing Roblox.
Make sure to follow me and Savakar.
And our Roblox accounts are the same names.
Make sure to follow me and Savakar on Roblox at Savako, and Savakar's is gibberish. Because that's when we first turned out the names. Savako worked out perfectly, so here's a little backstory of my name. So basically, the backstory of my name is we are playing. It's still loading. That's why.
Do you want money?
Okay,
Yes.
so I'm just gonna rejoin. So, oh, also,
Do you want? I'm just getting in.
yeah, mine wasn't loading, so I just had to restart.
Okay.
Okay, we are back, and I'm just gonna be
You have a
joining
lot
you.
of cars. That's cool. Okay, I got my password.
I'm playing.
It's 7777.
And if you guys see me in Roblox, you should say hi.
Yeah.
The next time you see me, if you're watching this video.
I see it, and if you see some booga booga, please don't kill us.
Yeah, because we
Even though we barely play it, so
Yeah. We suck, because last time we didn't trade.
let's just stop talking.
Yeah. I talk a lot.
Yeah, you do.
You sure do. Jeez, this thing is fast.
What, the quad?
Yeah.
What do you want to take out? I'm gonna take out this.
Okay.
And then you can get the same.
Holy crap, this thing goes fast.
Anyways. Maybe
So I have
we'll do
like
some other games.
I have 350 out of 5,000. I mean 500.
So,
Yeah.
if you want us to, play any other
Dude,
games.
I'm going 140. That's the fastest I've ever gone yet.
If you want, us to play any more games, just comment down below. Yeah.
Not yet.
Anyways.
Oh, that was a fail. 7735.
7735.
Okay, my quad has so much power.
We possibly might live stream.
Occasionally, I just need to do the thingy.
Anyways, do you want me to race with you? Or no?
Might as well. You need to get the car too.
I already had a car. Are you insane? Are you insane? Oh, hide it? Well, everyone knows I have a car anyway, so.
Whatever. I just need to
Whatever.
get it. My friend said it's super hard to find, but I'm getting it today.
Maybe we should. We should have recorded that. Oh well. I bet you if you search it up on like Safari or something in Google, you'll find it.
Or Google Play Store, App Store, blah, blah, blah.
No. We're talking about like the car thing.
Car we're getting. Oh, no! No!
Happened. Well, I'm just gonna go off. So I'm gonna check on my top speeds and I'll let you guys know.
What game I'm playing is
No one.
Lumber Tycoon.
Tycoon.
Not the normal
Wait, is it the
one.
first one?
It's actually not Lumber Tycoon. So I bet some of you guys play on mobile, right? Anyways, so it's basically New Factory Tycoon. It's basically Lumber Tycoon, but mobile version. So we'll do that video as well.
But it's on Roblox.
Yeah, that Roblox is a really good game. That's what we're talking about. Savacco
It's
and Savacco.
fun. But we're not on Roblox right now.
We might do it after this video, so turn on notifications to see if we will. Who knows? Depends on what. I think.
Skirt. No, I didn't get the money.
Do you want to go together? Here, ready?
I didn't get the money. Wait, don't do it
3,
yet.
2, 1.
I didn't go yet.
I know. I'm just gonna wait for you. And then we could go together and see who. Oh, you want drag race? Go! Oh, we're starting the drag
And
race.
if you guys want to me to play, just comment down below.
I'll get my quad after.
Okay. Oh,
Sorry for the awkward silence.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're concentrating.
I'm trying to talk much as possible.
But most of this video, me and my brother said that we probably barely talk, maybe. Which I think we've kind of lied about that.
Yeah.
We suck at telling the truth.
We try to talk the most.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I see a person in real life that I don't really know, I just don't talk because I'm kind of shy.
I wonder how much money I have right now.
Okay, I'm back, guys. Just need to grab something, but we're good now. Do you want me to grab my quad?
Yeah.
So no matter what, so this map is really good.
For money.
Shout out whoever made it.
It's a very good, easy money getter.
Yeah.
Nothing. Whatever.
Even though I just found out today.
Yeah.
You just found out today what?
Yeah, we never knew about that.
Oh.
We never
Yeah.
even looked in custom maps.
Yeah, we never go
So
Custom maps when you that's where you get all the money.
I wonder if we can get cars from custom maps.
No, you can't.
If you want to find that vehicle that we showed you, I think.
We didn't show you.
Oh, we didn't. That they didn't show you. It's in the desert map. If we haven't showed you yet.
Did you look on the map where it was? Like
Where I found that.
we will show you on the map at the end of the video of where to find the quest that we're doing. So I think this video is kind of boring.
What?
Nothing.
I'm a banana.
No, not this again.
I'm
Anyways.
blue.
This video is getting a little long.
No, I like to keep the videos long. I mean, like,
Should we maybe do an hour video or
No, nobody will watch that.
anyways.
I watched a 2-hour video.
I'll just do one more lap, then we will
Line
end
up
the
at the
video.
end, and then we'll just.
And if you guys
Do the
wonder
outro.
if we have a YouTube channel, we don't.
So don't copy our names. Otherwise, we will.
Because when we're
I don't
older,
know.
we want to.
Just please don't.
Yeah. So when we're older, we want to become YouTubers.
Yeah.
I already am.
Yeah.
Anyways,
So our parents won't let us.
Why?
I don't know.
These guys are from Bahagwa.
What?
It's from.
It's a movie.
No, it's from a movie. Bahagwa.
Anyways, I'm just gonna get ready for the lineup.
Okay.
So. Anyways, Offroad Outlaws is a great game, free to play as well. Not sponsored at all, sadly.
Yeah.
No, not sadly.
Uh-oh.
But we're not sponsored at all.
We don't have a sponsor.
See you guys in the next video. Bye.